How to build long-term wealth for beginners. If you want to stop living paycheck to paycheck, retire comfortably, and even leave something behind for your kids, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you exactly how to start building long-term wealth, even if you're starting with nothing. And trust me, it's easier than you think. So grab a pen because these steps could change your life forever. Here's a secret. Wealth isn't built overnight, but the earlier you start, the better. So let me show you step by step how to take control of your money and grow it into real wealth, starting today. Step 1. Master your mindset. Building wealth starts in your head. You need to believe that you can become wealthy and stop thinking of money as just something you spend. Every dollar you don't spend is a soldier working for your future. Start thinking, how can I grow my money instead of just earning it? Step 2. Pay yourself first. Here's what wealthy people know. You save before you spend, not after. Every time you get paid, put aside at least 10% to 20% into savings or investments automatically. This is called paying yourself first. If you never see it in your checking account, you'll never miss it. Step 3. Kill bad debt. High-interest debt, like credit cards, is like trying to fill a leaking bucket. You'll never build wealth if you're paying 20% interest to someone else. Focus on paying down bad debt as fast as you can, starting with the highest interest first. Options: debt snowball or debt avalanche methods. Step 4. Start investing early. This is the biggest secret of the wealthy. They let their money work for them. Even if you only invest $100 a month, over 30 years that could grow to over $150,000 at an average 8% return, thanks to the magic of compounding. Start with index funds, ETFs, or retirement accounts like a 401k or IRA. You don't have to be an expert, you just have to start. Step 5. Build multiple streams of income. Don't rely on just your job. The wealthy have multiple income streams. Side hustles, rental income, dividends, businesses. Even a small side hustle making $200 a month invested properly could make a huge difference over time. Step 6. Keep learning and stay patient. Building wealth takes time, but the good news is, time is your best friend. Read books. Watch videos like this one. Surround yourself with people who inspire you to grow. And most importantly, don't quit when it gets hard. Keep going. So let's recap. Master your mindset. Pay yourself first. Kill bad debt. Start investing. Build multiple income streams. And stay patient. It's not about luck or a lottery ticket. It's about consistent, smart moves over time. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more, and tell me in the comments, what's your first step toward wealth starting today? Remember, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is today. So go plant yours. See you on the next one.